In this video, we're going to discuss how to write integers. So you might think this is very simple, and it is pretty simple. There aren't too many rules here. But integers are numeric whole numbers created using digits without decimals. So no, decimals are not allowed. So any kind of number that you create, like such as 234, that is an integer. We can always verify the type, not with int, sorry, with the type function. So we know that it is an integer. Now, something interesting with Python is that you can actually write integers, not just by consecutive digits, but you can also place underscores in there. So this is helpful for readability. So let's say we have the number 1 trillion, and I've put 12 zeros here, although it is hard to tell. So this is an integer, and if I just press Shift Enter, it'll just show you as it is. But Python allows you to place underscores, and you can do so anywhere within the number. You just can't use consecutive underscores. And this just helps you break up the number just as if they were commas. So commas are used for something else in Python. So instead, you can use underscores, and it makes it a lot more readable. So here we can see, all right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of zeros, and so that makes it a trillion. And it's just another way of writing it. If you do execute this Shift Enter, it'll just return it. This is just for help for visibility. So the way of writing this is the same thing as writing it without the underscores. The underscores are just for readability as a human being. The program Python will still interpret it as 1 trillion. It makes no difference to the Python interpreter, but for humans reading the code, it can make it a lot easier to decipher what that number is if you write it with underscores. So that's a nice little feature that Python has. All right, so that's how you write integers, either just a bunch of digits or digits with underscores in them.